Hi, Karen. Can you say hi to Sammy?
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Sammy.
Hi, Sammy. Hi, Sammy.
Can you say hi, Sammy?
Hi, Sammy.
Good job. What are we going to open today? Can you show me?
Bird firework.
Yeah. Can you open it? Just one moment, Papa. Good job. Let's see what you got. Which ones did you get?
A leopard.
Is that Redbird? That looks like Yellowbird. Yep, it's Redbird. Skywalker and one of the piggies. Cool. Steven, are you ready? Can you sit in your seat, please? Sit. We have another Angry Birds. Can you open? Open. Open on the side. Do you need help? There you go, buddy.
Can you open it, please?
Just one moment, Karen.
A leopard.
Yeah. Let's let Bubby see. What did Bubby get? He got the same thing. Let's see, Karen.
Oh,
Can you show me?
Is that a leopard?
Let's see. There's Redbird. Looks like Luke Skywalker. And then we got our piggy. What's a pig say, Karen? And then here's our flyer. Angry Birds. Star Wars. You need help? Oh, you got a different guy.
Oh, it's leopard.
And here's Stevens. We got another. Let me see. Let me see real quick. It's another Redbird. That's a different Redbird. Can I see your white one, please? Please? Karen, we don't need to trade yet. Let me see. Can I see the white one? It's a different white one. It's like the Abominable Snowman guy.
Snowman.
Cool. Did you like your blind bag? Can you say yes louder? Louder. Can you say bye to Sammy?
Bye-bye. See you later.
Steven, can you say bye?
Bye.
Good job.